Hi, I'm Apurva, and every time I post a picture from my trips, random men ask me if I have a sugar daddy and who's paying for my trips and my stays and my tickets. And I'm honestly so disappointed by these comments, and I just want to tell you guys once and for all that I do not pay for my trips, but neither does a man. Because my parents might not have loved me, but brands do. And so Etihad flew me to London and they put me on the best flight that I have ever been on. And here is everything I did on this flight. Takeoff se pehle I had a glass of champagne, and I know what you're thinking कि champagne तो सिर्फ celebration के लिए पीते हैं. Well, I was celebrating the fact कि मैं economy में middle seat पे बैठ के armrest के लिए नहीं लड़ रही. Then I had a look at the menu, which was as long as the text I sent him when I was begging for him to stay. But I'm a vanilla person, so I called for some vanilla pancakes. Also, the flight had a bar that was literally bigger than my living room in the middle of the plane. जहाँ पे they also got me a cake, and अब मेरे standards Etihad ने single-handedly ऊपर कर दिए. And now I have realized that this was the princess treatment that I always deserved. They also gave us an amenities kit, and the only thing I love more than watching my enemies suffer is free stuff. So I got really happy. Then I saw a rom-com and started imagining कि अगर मेरा भी अभी होने वाला पति इस फ्लाइट में मुझसे टकरा जाए तो कितना मजा आएगा. And ये सब ख्वाब देखते देखते we reached Abu Dhabi, where I went to the Etihad lounge, which is hands down the best lounge I have ever been to. And not only did they have every single food item that you could think of, but there was also a celestial bar, a games room, and a spa. Anyways, यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारा खाना खाने के बाद I wanted to crash in the next flight. It was very easy to fall asleep because they had a fully flat bed, and so I slept as peacefully as people do in their lovers' arms, apparently. But this was the best flight of my life, and not that anybody cares about my rating, it was definitely a 12 out of 10.